Definitely a little worse than I thought overall when I bought this truck, but guys, welcome back to the channel. We are about to head on over to, I almost stepped in dog food. I'm walking over to my parents right now. We're about to be ripping out interior of the 1985 Square Body. It's in pretty rough shape. These trucks leak a lot, and this truck unfortunately has a rubber mat floor with a like insulation underneath that. So being that it leaks, all that water is just being trapped, and so it's causing rust and all that. I'm sure I'm going to find a lot more rust than I even knew this truck had, but at least need to get the rubber mats and all that vinyl stuff out of there. Yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I'm just going to be cutting this stuff up and ripping it out and throwing it on that trailer right there. Got to go to the dump anyways, so garbage. You can see where the rust and water gathers right there. We got to get rid of that. There's a big culprit right there. See that, like insulation? Oof. Okay. Might not even need much of a razor. Someone asked me if I might have the chains right here. I forgot what they said it's for. If you guys know, let me know in the comments. Okay. I probably should get gloves. I'm gonna go grab some gloves real quick. Cause I don't know if it's like I don't want to be touching all this stuff. I don't know what's in there. God, there's so much dirt right at the bottom. That's sick, watch this. Look at that thing. This little barbecue brush right here. So I'm just gonna get like the loose rush spots. Again, this is just getting the loose stuff, getting all the dirt out of little corners and stuff. That, using that. 5,000 likes on that one video. We mount that big ship horn in the bed of this thing permanently because it's kind of time correct. It kind of goes with it. We didn't hit 5,000, but if this video can hit 1,500 likes, I'll do it. Just because I'm nice. All right, guys. So it's actually the next day. It's starting to rain, as you guys can see. I want to kind of fill you in what we got going, and I'll show you some footage. First of all, we had a alternator issue. Gen 2 was not working as it should. I wasn't charging this battery right here. the back one. It was reading like 11.5 volts or something like that with the truck running. Also, see this light would, when you turn the truck on, which it's good now, but that light was not coming on at all. And so I found a few bad fusible links, and I'll show you the footage right now real quick. We do this one, it's all opened. This one's fine. That was the one that's completely like this. That's what that one looked like. So I'm gonna replace that one. This one's gonna be good to go right back there. And that one, that should be good. Hopefully that fixes the alternator. I replaced two 12 gauge fusible links and then one 20 gauge that was coming off the alternator. And I come back in here, and also what I did is I put bigger gauge wire on. So I put this bigger one here, a little overkill probably. I redid the end of this one, this 8 gauge wire that runs over there. I redid this one. This one's brand new. Redid the ground strap, all that, and starting it seems to be a lot stronger. But after doing all that stuff, changing the fusible links, and it still wasn't lighting up. So what I did was I went down here to double check my fuse block. I referenced a fuse block online of one of these trucks, and I noticed mine was missing a few, or at least missing one. That was a pretty key one. And I noticed other ones were too small. Like this one right here, if it'll focus, this one's all like melted up. It's a 30 amp. It was in the wrong spot. And there's another 15 amp one that's really melted too. So I replaced all those, put them back, and the one at the very bottom was a 10 amp 28 volt. I replaced that thing, turn the key, both of those lights come on, truck starts up right away, and sounds incredible. Idle's way better, everything. So I'm gonna put this thing on charge. As you guys know, every time I've been running this truck, it has been with a bad alternator. So when I'm running this thing and starting it constantly, there's nothing going back into that battery. So I'm gonna get a nice charge on this thing and then come back, and I'll give you guys an update in another video. It should be ready to go though, because I had it running the other day, a couple days ago, and it was running really good. And like I said, it had 13.8 volts on both batteries, and that's definitely what we want, because that basically tells us our alternators are both charging and all is good. So I might go ahead and put the old wheels and tires back on for the time being, just so I can go drive it around, probably take it off-road, do some stuff like that. But the other one's way more practical. And now that we got that stuff fixed, the alternator fixed, waiting on the air cleaner to arrive so we can take it out on the road. And then also the next step is going to be, we're going to do like a wire wheel. Probably use like one of those wire cup wheels on like a drill, or maybe a flapper disc. And we're just going to go ahead and hit all that rust. None of that rust is too severe, but I want to get all the rough edges of the rust up. I got to get that piece out. Up there, I don't know if I'm going to do much with that. I'll probably rough up that area up here, because it doesn't look like it's got any rust on it at all. That way, because as you guys know, if you guys have square bodies, these things leak. Especially the old ones that have old seals, stuff like that. And being that it's a military truck, I don't think they really cared if water got in here, clearly. And so we're just going to continue that trend. POR 15 won't let water get into the metal and cause any further rust. So that's going to be our goal with that. This thing's definitely coming along, guys, and I hope you guys enjoy these square body videos. There may not be super action-packed, but the trend on YouTube seems to be these restorations, bringing like kind of beat up vehicles and kind of turning them into something nice. So that's the goal of this truck. This truck, I see what it can be, and that's the goal right now. It's already coming along. The truck actually runs really good. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let me know if you have any ideas in the comments as well. Yeah, this thing's really coming along. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.